Hello friends, I am VM. Today I am going to show you how to create task schedule in your Windows PC. This is Chrome browser. I am open daily this browser. Okay. I am now create here task schedule. Now I am going to show you how to create task schedule. Chrome will be automatically open. Okay. Now type here task. This is our task schedule. Click on run as administrator. Okay. Now click here create basic task. Now give name here. Type here daily use. Okay. Now after this click on next. Now there is the option select daily, weekly, monthly, once time. I am select daily only. Click on next. There is the option for give schedule task schedule time. I am giving a time here 7:19:22. This is our time 7:22 p.m. Click on next. After this leave this same option. Click on next. Type here which program you want to run and type here program.exe. Click on next. After this click on finish. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.